When it comes to business, we have either clients or potential clients. Potential clients are of two types: suspects and prospects. I, Shivendra Mandhotra, shall throw some light here to explain these three types of very important entities for any business, that is, suspects, prospects, and clients. Who are suspects? Suspects can be called as a potential prospect. Suspect are those group of individuals or organizations about whom you don't know anything. You need to do some research on them to know them better and do understand if these suspects can be qualified to the next stage, and next stage is prospects. Can they be your potential prospects or ultimately potential clients? Suspecting is an activity of creating a marketplace for marketing your products or services. You do educate the suspects on your product or service and its application. At the same time, you also check if your product can be sold to the suspect. Suspect may or may not fit into your ideal definition of a client, which may include the size of the client, revenue or turnover of the client, their paying capacity, etc., the suspect, or even the industry they are dealing in. Since suspects by its very meaning are shrouded in mystery, so they are the most difficult to deal with and to qualify to next stage, that is to make them prospect. So once a suspect is qualified, he becomes your prospect. Prospect must meet the three criteria of man. So kindly don't forgive me, I'm not showing any kind of gender bias here, please. MAN is just an acronym of money, authority, and need. M stands for money, A stands for authority, N stands for need. The person or the organization who have this criteria, who have money, authority, and need, can be your prospects. Any of these criteria is missing, then he is not your prospect. So be very careful while checking that the individual or the prospect meet this criteria or not. Also, prospect is a type of potential client you would love to work with. See, client, they not only fit into your definition of client, but also are warm or hot. So warm is a prospect who can be closed at a shorter period, and hot, who buy immediately. You do have multiple interactions with prospect to qualify them to the next stage, and that is clients. If you lose a prospect or say fail to qualify the prospect, then it may again become your suspect for your future efforts. So it's advisable to categorize your prospects into three categories of A, B, and C, majorly based on the possibility of them closing and the intensity at which you want to have them as your client. So this categorization also helps in guiding your efforts in that direction, in relevant directions. Once you qualify your prospect, then it becomes your client. So the client is one who buy from you and pay you money in return. So this is all about suspect, prospect, and client. I hope it gives some insights into different types of entities a business or a sales professional majorly deals with. It also helps you in building your sales funnel. If you convert, suppose for an example, if you convert 1 out of 5 prospects, then you need to have 5 times more prospect than your target. So, and if you get 1 prospect out of 7 suspects, then you need to have 7 times more suspects than you need the prospects. So accordingly you can work out on your funnel and the quantity and quality of that funnel. If you like this video, then do like and share, friends, and also kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You won't find it difficult to search me on social media because of my unique full name, that is Shivendra Mandhotra. So I'm signing off. Have a great day. Shall come back with the next video of this series of selling skills.